We're working with City Post and Railing in this video.
Hi everyone, very exciting day today in the Cali-Kim Garden. We are getting ready to start on a deck refurbishment. Now we looked into having it done for us over the past couple of years, but with the price of labor, it was just a super expensive project. So we're going to DIY it. Our deck really needs redone. So Jerry has actually researched it and we're going to do it in 3 different phases. So today we're starting on phase 1, which is just with this first section of our deck. So stay tuned. This is going to be a fun one. We hope. So the demo was a ton of fun. We really had fun just knocking it out.
Yeah, so not until we removed the spindles and the railing and the skirting were we able to get underneath and take a look at what actually needed repaired or just replaced. Now remember, this isn't a tutorial, just more of an overview video.
It was really weird to see this big gaping hole outside of our slider door. But man, were we excited to put those new redwood planks on there. Redwood is naturally pest resistant and rot resistant. We put a really pretty natural redwood stain over it. A nice clear coat to protect it from water.
One by one, as we installed more and more planks, we were so excited in getting near to the end.
It was taking shape and we were loving the new view.
We used paint sticks as our spacers in between the planks. They kept falling through.
Last board of phase 1 of our deck remodel. Jerry, great job. Dana, been helping us out today. Great job. This is an exciting place to be. We had some issues, but we figured it out. Last one, Jerry.
Kim, do you want to do it?
Yeah, I'd love to. Last screw, guys, on our phase 1 of our deck. Here we go. After a lot of research, we went with a cable rail system rather than your traditional spindle rail because we wanted to open up the view to the garden.
We chose to go with City Post and Railing because they were easy to work with. I was able to send them in one of my drawings and gave me input on my build and my design. And they sent me back a computerized drawing. Next, they built the cable and rail kit and sent it directly to my door. The boxes arrived with clear labels indicating what contents were inside each box. Now all we had to do was follow their included instructions and build our new rail system. The holes were pre-drilled in the post and the cable came cut to length with extra just in case. City Post and Railing was a one-stop shop. I was able to also order my cable cutter and my crimper all within my order.
We love how our new deck turned out, and the cable rail opens up the view and is just icing on the cake. After completing phase 1, we're even more confident that we can do phase 2 and phase 3. However, the blackberries are right in the way of our phase 2 expansion. So after those are done being harvested in the fall, we're going to transplant those to another part of the garden, and then we can bump out for our phase 2 expansion. We are really enjoying the new deck and the new view, and it's really solid, and we learned a ton from this project too.
I am absolutely loving the cable system here. You can see right through into the garden, and I love that part of it. Also, what I'm going to do in phase 2 and phase 3 is I'm going to use deck spacers. I think that'll make everything go a lot smoother.
That's for sure. Thanks so much for watching. See you on phase 2.